Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Matrix AI network token. Now before I start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Matrix AI network represents an innovative fusion of blockchain technology and artificial intelligence AI established in 2016 by a forward-thinking team. This project is at the forefront of addressing some of the most pressing challenges within the blockchain space, including transactions, speed, security, and usability and efficiency through the integration of AI. The inspection of Matrix AI network, known as Matrix 1.0, marked the beginning of the world's first AI optimized blockchain platform. This initiative aimed to tackle the inherent uses. This initiative aimed to tackle the inherent issues This initiative aimed to tackle the inherent issues of traditional blockchains by leveraging AI to enhance transactions speeds, bolster security measures, simplify user interfaces, and optimize resources utilization, thereby creating a more financial and dependable public blockchain platform. Matrix AI network token total supply is 773.51 million and circulating supplies around 473.51 million. MAN token. MAN token is listed on Gate.io, KuCoin, MEXC, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.